Hey, it's Chrissy the Whimsy, and today I'm taking you to Killens Pond State Park. Let's go inside and see what the Nature Center has to offer. So this is the Killens Pond Nature Center. You walk inside. Here with my family. We're gonna take a look around, see what they got going on in here. Come on, let's see. Her blessing, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What is a herp? That's a good question, because I'm not sure. It's a nickname given to reptiles and amphibians, coming from the Greek, which means creeping thing. Come on, let's go see what they have. 5-line skink.
I think it doesn't want to show up.
Yeah, I don't see it. All right, let's see if there's anything in here. This is the corn snake.
Oh, I see it.
Where is it?
Right there, right there.
Oh yeah, it's underneath the bowl. Can you see that?
Yeah.
It's tucked under the bowl. So that's the corn snake
So let's
exhibit.
See, let's see the other one again.
All right, let's go back and see if we can find this. Oh, you know what? There it is. There it is. Peeking out from the greenery right there.
Cool.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Is it alive?
Mm-hmm.
I want this one. I want this one.
Yeah, it's a big one. All right, over here we have the spotted turtle. Oh, that's super cute with the spots. Oh, super cute. This is just the representation of what they have going on. No, it's not. These are just models. Spotted turtle. Yep, the spotted turtle. Then we have over here a gray and green tree frog. Oh, there it is. It kind of blends in. It blends into its surroundings. That's cute. I guess that's the gray one. I don't know if I see the green one. And over here says Fowler's toad. Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
He's right there at the bottom looking up. Fowler's toad. You see him?
I see two of them.
You see two? Oh yeah, there's the second one right there. That's neat. So those are all the live exhibits in the nature area. And from the sign outside, it said that they have an overlook. So I'm gonna take you over there to see the overlook. And here is the overlook of the pond. I'm pretty sure I read that the pond is a 66-acre pond. So you can see it from the nature center. Now making our way down to the pond area, just to kind of take a look and see. It looks like they got some water sports toys in the water, which is nice. And some little boats you can potentially rent. And I saw back at the nature center you can actually rent fishing poles and go fishing. So yeah, this is the boat rental place where you can rent boats and go out on the water.
Don't sit down, don't sit down.
That is pretty. And there's some people out on the water.
We made it to right here, and now we're
So we're taking a little walk on the pier. just to see up close. My daughter wanted to come closer and see. I actually never been on one of these, what do you call these? Water bike boats? I don't know what they're called, but anyway, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it sure is.
It sure is.
Ooh, that. What is that?
That looked like an overturned boat.
Mom.
Okay, I think we can turn back around now.
Oh.
So, yep, this is the pond area for Killens Pond State Park. So, Killens Pond also has a really nice water park. We didn't go today, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what they had. They got water slides and all kinds of a large pool and some water sports in the back. So, it has a lot going on. So, this was Killens Pond State Park. I didn't see everything. We just kind of came in for a quick afternoon. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like going to your state parks? And be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.